Okay, in this video we're going to solve two specific problems, one involving cars colliding and the other cars driving away, and it's going to be like an algebra problem. And so let's begin. So this is the first problem. Car 1 is driving 45 miles per hour, car 2 is driving 25 miles per hour, and car 2 is 60 miles ahead. When will car 1 catch car 2? And it's a nice straight path. And we're going to solve this problem in two different ways. So thinking about this, car 1 is driving 45 miles per hour, car 2 is driving 25 miles per hour, and so the difference between the two is 20 miles per hour, and that car 1 is faster. And now we see car 2 is 60 miles ahead, and so we want to know when will car 1 catch car 2. Now we know distance is equal to rate times time, so really our distance is 60 miles, and our rate is 20 miles per hour, because that's the difference between the two. So as time goes on, car 1 is getting closer and closer to car 2. And we don't know the time. And so if we want to solve for t, divide by 20, and time would be 3 hours. Now we can solve this problem another way. We can say that car 1 is driving 45 miles per hour. We can say 45x, and this is equal to car 2 is driving 25 miles per hour. We'll say 25x. And we want to know when will car 1 catch car 2. That's why we put an equal sign. Now we're not done yet with car 2 because car 2 is ahead, and it's ahead by 60 miles. At this point, if we want to solve for x, minus 25x here, minus 25x there. And so we're going to get 45 minus 25, which gives us 20. So 20x is equal to 60. Now all we have to do is divide by 20, x is equal to 3 hours. And so we solved it another way. Now this was an example of two things colliding or catching up to one another. And I suppose you could think about it this way also. Car 1 has this path and car 2 has this path. So they're parallel. So they don't actually collide. Now this is our second problem. Car 1 is driving 45 miles per hour east and car 2 is driving 25 miles per hour west. Both cars start at the same spot. When will both cars be 150 miles apart? Now we can kind of visually draw this. So this is our starting point. Car 1 is driving 45 miles per hour east, so this way. So starting point, and he's going 45 miles per hour. We'll say 45 mph. And car 2 is driving 25 miles per hour west, so this way. And we'll say 25 mph. And so if you think about this, in 1 hour, this car went 45 miles. This car went 25 miles. So in 1 hour, you're 70 miles apart. So we can write a nice formula. Again, distance is equal to rate times time. Our distance is here 150 miles apart. So 150 is equal to the rate, which is 70, times time. And so at this point, just divide by 70, and so we're going to get t is equal to 150 divided by 70. We can cancel the zeros. And so we have 15 divided by 7. And if this was 14 divided by 7, we get 2. So we're going to get 2 and 1/7. Because 15 divided by 7 is the same as saying 14 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 7. And off to the side I can write that. So 15 divided by 7 is the same as 14 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 7. And 14 divided by 7 is 2, and then you have your 1/7 left over. And so this right here is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for this problem.